Okay, so HCS Medical Solutions, they sent these to us so we could show them to you. And what they are, they're an instant ice. And this one here has kind of a soft cover. It almost feels like fabric. And then this one is more of the plasticky cover. But so this one's more paper fabric-y like, and this one's more plasticky like and stuff. But what they are, they're a one-time use. They last about 10, 15 minutes, something like that. And what you do is you can feel there's an inner bag in there. And you break that inner bag, and then you shake it all up. And what happens is it becomes super duper cold when the chemicals mix together and stuff. If for some reason it's leaking, just throw it away, because you don't want to be touching your skin or anything with that. So but you just squeeze it and mix it all up and shake it up until the contents are all mixed up, and then you wrap it in a towel and you put it on your injury. But don't put it directly on your skin. Make sure you wrap it in a towel or something like that. And they both work the same way. This one just has a softer cover on it, and this one has a more plasticky cover on it. But you just break that inner bag there and throw it away when you're done, after about 15 minutes or so, when it's not being cold anymore. So good stuff. Thanks for sending that. I can see how handy that would be. It would be perfect for to put in your backpack while you're out hiking or anything like that. It's just a one-time use. As soon as you use up the 10 or 15 minutes of coldness, then you just throw it away, and good stuff.